Live from Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be going over bill, spend, and expense. I know I've already done a video about this. This is just kind of a refresh, quick video. I want to make sure you guys take advantage of trying to apply for this business credit trade line because it can definitely help you. One, get a trade line reported to the Small Business Financial Exchange that also reports to, say, Dun and Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax Creditsafe. Not only that, it can give you some leverage when it comes to building up your business credit and getting funding. They approve from anywhere from $500 up to like $5 million. So without further ado, let's get into it. Formerly it was Divvy. Bill.com bought them, so now it's called Bill, Spend, and Expense. As you can see here, Bill, Spend, and Expense, formerly Divvy, offers credit limits from $500 to $5 million and automated expense management software. Flexible underwriting, and as they say here, we love learning about what makes each company unique and offer multiple ways to underwrite in order to provide you with a credit limit that fits your business. So real quick, if you're going to apply for this, use my link, because not only does it help me get credit for that, but it also gets you your application sent to my rep over at Divvy in the back end office. So if you just apply on their website, you're not going to, it's just going to go in the queue for being underwritten. You're going to get a faster response if you're going to get approved or not. Okay. So it's definitely the way to go. Now, when you apply, I'll tell you, don't be too greedy on how much you ask for. So try to get in the door first, because after I think 30 or 60 days, you can ask for a limit increase. Okay. You want to build up that relationship with the underwriter first. It's not a hard pull. It's only a soft pull with Experian personal credit. They will look at your business credit as well on Experian. So make sure your personal credit is unlocked before you apply. If it's already locked, unlock it. Like I said, it's not going to be a hard pull. So you don't have to worry about that. If your credit's at least, say, I would say in the 600s, then you probably have a decent chance of getting approved. Say your personal credit isn't that great, but your business credit is really good and you have business income coming in, then you're going to have a higher chance to get approval. It's not like one size fits all. It just basically depends on multiple factors they look at, or vice versa. If you have good personal credit, not much on business credit, then you could still get approved. I advise anybody just to apply. The worst case they can do is come back and say, no, you're not approved. If you don't get approved, the other reason why you want to use my link is I can find out why you were denied from my rep. So, and then we can tell you exactly like what you need to do to strengthen things to have a better chance for future to apply. Okay. Real quick. There's no annual fees, flexible rewards, like you get cash back. They have different plans or different options for your rewards. It seamlessly automatic kind of integrates with like QuickBooks and all the major accounting software. You can issue virtual cards or actual cards you can issue to your employees. You can set it for a certain amount per day, per week, per month. So you can control the spending, and it's absolutely free. Now, Bill reports the customer business credit performance to the Small Business Financial Exchange. So it's going to help you build up your business credit. It reports to Small Business Financial Exchange, and Experian, Dun and Bradstreet, Equifax, and Creditsafe can pull that data and report it on your business credit reporting file. Like I said, it doesn't cost anything. You can actually do reimbursement employees easily, and it integrates with several apps as well. Here's the start of the application. This is basically what you're going to put in your email address, and then it's going to send a code, and you have to confirm that. The application, like I said, only takes about 5-10 minutes. So go ahead and do that. Use my link. Like I said, it's in the description below and in the comment section. Your application will go to the back office and to my rep over there, and you're going to get a faster response if you're going to get either approved or denied. All right. With all that being said, you guys take care. Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.